maraming swimming at marami pang iba exhibits at yan i-detalye po sa atin walang ibang Architecture Nico, head of National Committee on Architecture and Allied Arts.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. So, Archetypes and Architects is the flagship project of the National Committee on Architecture and Allied Arts. So, this event is a multi-venue event that covers a wide range of activities from exhibition, symposium, book launching, film screening. The highlight of which is the tour of Manila in the form of Pajak Manila. So we will use bicycle as a means to visit the various landmarks of Metro Manila, those forgotten architectures that we overlook when we travel throughout the streets of Manila. Then we have another architectural icon, the Masjid. Sino na bang nakapunta ng mosque? Most of us, we haven't visited the mosque, but through this exhibition, which is ironically will be showcased at the University of Santo Tomas Museum, we will try to explore the unknown space of the mosque. And then we have Estilo, which is also a book and an exhibition which will explore the variety of styles that we have throughout the history of Philippine architecture. Apart from the traditional spaces of exhibition, we will also have symposia in public spaces such as the mall, which is considered today as the modern day plaza where people congregate. So as much as possible, we want to bring architecture and their design to the public. So in doing so, we also will have magkakaroon kami ng film screening sa popular sites. The title of the film is Lunan. It's a 3-part documentary dealing with the interior design, urban planning, and landscape architecture in the Philippines. Okay, so I hope, and then finally we have an architectural photography which is online through arquitectura.ph. The exhibition and awarding will be at the Metropolitan Museum. The title of the component is Contempo 2013. So we have a wide range of architectural expression, so from the masjid to postmodern buildings and edifices. So magandang hapon sa inyo. I hope makita-kita tayo sa aming event.
Maraming salamat, Architecture Art Nico. Naniniwala ka ba, Rene,